Hello guys, welcome to another video of Daytrading channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about alligator indicator and a simple strategy to make this indicator work perfectly. Alligator indicator was developed by Bill Williams, who was the legendary trader. He built a trade following indicator which we know as alligator indicator. It is a technical analysis tool. We use three simple moving averages. Those moving averages are set as 5, 8 and 13 period, and these three moving averages are known as jaw, teeth and lips of the alligator. But before diving into the strategy, I want you guys to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you will be able to watch all the latest videos. Now let's dive into the strategy. The alligator forex trading strategy is developed to give traders the right market and field level and the best market timings on any time frame. So we will need three indicators in this strategy. Number one is alligator, number two is hull moving average with the period of 36 and two-line MACD indicator. You can use this on bigger time frames, but preferred time frames are 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour and 1 day chart. You can use this on all currency pairs. Buy signal. If the blue line of alligator indicator intersects the other two lines, which are lime and red line bottom up, and it also crosses the green line of hull moving average, and if the blue line of two-line MACD break above the zero level, then price is said to be pushed to the upside and it triggers the buy signal. Suggested stop loss for buy. Place stop loss below short-term support. Suggested take profit for buy. If the blue line of alligator indicator intersects the other two lines and it also crosses the hull moving average and blue line of MACD indicator goes below the zero level, then an exit or take profit is recommended. Sell signal. If the blue line of alligator indicator intersects the other two lines, which are lime and red line, top downwards, and it also crosses the green line of hull moving average, and if the blue line of two-line MACD indicator breaks above the zero level, price is said to be pressured lower and triggers the sell signal. Stop loss for sell. Place stop loss above the short-term resistance. Suggested take profit for sell. If the two lines of alligator indicator overlaps the other two lines and it also crosses the hull moving average and blue line of MACD indicator goes above the zero level, then an exit or take profit is recommended. Now let's talk about pros and cons of this strategy. And let's start with the pros. Number one, it is easy to use and easy to understand because we are using a limited number of indicators and you don't have to look for so many different values before entering the market. Number two, the indicator used in this strategy have strict checking requirements, so it will generate highly accurate trading signals. Number three, alligator indicator is a trend following indicator, so it helps traders to make easy profits from long trends. Now the cons of this strategy. Number one, if you want to be profitable with this strategy, then you have to be patient. Number two, you will have to watch the charts constantly. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please subscribe and hit that like button. So till next time, take care.